So today we're going to fill a raised bed. What's a raised bed? Basically, it's any container of any size that's resting on top of a platform, which could be dirt, it could be a patio, it could be whatever you want. The most important thing about a raised bed is you want it to all be organic matter so that you're not cross-contaminating your dirt that will eventually work into the roots and hurt your plants, and eventually you don't want to eat that stuff. And the first thing you want to do is protect the walls. So we're going to protect it with a 3 mil plastic liner. We've got our plastic liner in, protecting the wood walls. We're moving on to layer 1, cardboard, organic matter. Layer 2, organic brown matter. Twigs, anything that's dried up, bark, mulch, it all counts. Layer 3, green organic matter. Recently fallen leaves, grass clippings, those go next. Layer 4, dirt, loam soil, raised bed garden mix. So there you have it, how to fill a raised garden bed. It's all about the layers to create one matrix for a great planting ground. A little bit of water on top to help everything settle. You might have to backfill with a few more bags as the dirt continues to compress, but that's all you need for some beautiful vegetables, flowers, or whatever you want. For this and more, visit us at familyhandyman.com.